What if I told you that the very trade you thought was a disaster, the one you thought ruined your account, could actually be the starting point of your biggest comeback? This is not hype, this is not a motivational pep talk, this is arbitrage trading. And in today's video, arbitrage trading hacks to recover from bad trades fast. Real case study 2025. I'm going to expose the exact hacks pro traders, whales and sharks are using to flip bad trades into immediate wins. Imagine you're bleeding on a position, watching your screen turn red, but instead of panic, you see opportunity. That's what arbitrage gives you: power, certainty, and recovery. And right now, if you ignore this, you'll stay where the herd stays, crying over losses while professionals pocket profits on trades that never even required them to predict the market. So listen carefully, because the secrets I'm about to share don't just explain how to avoid losses, they show you how to weaponize them. And don't forget, if you're serious about trading like a shark, tap my avatar or open the channel description to unlock your sign-up bonus on Bank, MEXC and OKX, because arbitrage trading hacks work only if you have the right platforms ready. Here's the brutal truth. Most traders lose, not because they're stupid, not because they don't have charts, but because they treat trading like gambling. They chase green candles, panic at red ones, and worst of all, they let one bad trade destroy their confidence. But here's the shocker. Professional traders see those same bad trades as an opening to profit. That's the difference between retail panic and arbitrage trading mastery. Picture this: you buy Bitcoin at $62,000 on one exchange, hoping it goes up, and it doesn't stop there. The market is riddled with inefficiencies, cross-exchange spreads, futures versus spot price mismatches, and even triangular arbitrage where you cycle BTC, ETH, and USDT to end up with more than you started. Whales and sharks live off this. That's why, while you're stuck holding bags, they're compounding profits without even needing a price pump roof. A real case study from 2025 shows this clearly. A trader lost $1,000 going long ETH during a sudden dip, but instead of closing the trade in despair, he used arbitrage to buy ETH at the low price on one platform while simultaneously selling at a higher price on another. The result? He recovered the $1,000 loss in less than 48 hours. That's the shocking twist. Losses are not the end. With arbitrage trading, losses are raw material you recycle into wins. Now here's the FOMO part. Every single second you're not using arbitrage, someone else is taking what should have been yours. And they're doing it on exchanges like Bank, MEXC, and OKXB, because these are where deep liquidity and fast-moving arbitrage spreads actually exist. If you're still stuck on one exchange, you're playing checkers while sharks play 4D chess. So here's your first call to action. Pause. Tap my avatar, open the channel description, and register on the exchanges that matter. Don't just listen, act, because arbitrage rewards action, not hesitation. So how exactly do you recover fast from bad trades using arbitrage trading hacks? Let's break it down into 3 game-changing strategies. Spot futures arbitrage recovery. You took a bad long, no problem. You can buy spot at the current dip and short futures at the inflated rate. You're no longer gambling, you're locking profit in the price gap. Instead of losing sleep, you're securing yield. Cross-exchange arbitrage recovery. This is the bread and butter. Lost money on MEXC. Check OKX. Prices are rarely identical. You can balance losses by exploiting spreads, buying on the cheaper platform, selling on the pricier one. Sharks do this every day, and they laugh while the herd panics. Triangular arbitrage twist. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of just one-to-one trading, you exploit cycles. BTC gives ETH, gives you SDT, gives BTC. The math often leaves you with a percentage gain, even if the overall market is flat. This is how pro traders turn wasted capital into compounding wins. The proof is undeniable. Arbitrage is not speculation, it's structure. A trader I studied in early 2025 recovered 3 losing trades in a week simply by applying triangular arbitrage. He didn't predict, he didn't gamble, he executed the hack. That's the pattern interrupt you need right now. Stop trying to guess the market, start exploiting it. And the twist: arbitrage is not permanent. These spreads vanish fast. By the time you hesitate, the profit gap closes. That's why professional traders are fast, equipped, and always connected to the right exchanges. If you're not plugged into Bank, MEXC, and OKX, you're missing the entire game. So let me be crystal clear. If you're a serious trader, a whale, or someone who wants to think and act like a shark, this is the moment to act. Tap avatar channel, open the description that holds your bonus, and sign up right now. Don't wait for another bad trade to crush you. Prepare today, so your next mistake becomes your next win. Thank you for staying with me through this case study. You've just seen how arbitrage trading hacks can transform disaster into recovery, turning bad trades into fast wins. If this opened your eyes, smash the subscribe, hit like, and share this video with your trading circle. And remember, the channel description holds your sign-up bonus, or just tap my avatar to get it instantly. Don't feed the sharks, become one. I'll see you on the inside, trading smarter, sharper, and stronger than ever.